Hello guys, today I'm going to unbox this W26 Plus smartwatch model. This is the model of the smartwatch W26 Plus. This is a China made product, but let's see if it's a good one. So IP68, that means it's waterproof. 44 mm, that is the watch size. CPU MTK 250 2D, and the main features sports, heart rate, thermometer. It's coming with those features, and the smartwatch plus charger and manual. Let's see what's inside. Let's open it. This is the black color. So now this is the watch, and let's see what's inside the box. Yeah, this is the charging cable. So basically it's like the magnetic charger. So you just plug it like that, then it's charged. So it's coming with this USB cable only, with the magnetic charger and manual. So that's all for inside the box. So let's just see uh, how this how this watch will work. So in front, like, it has a very nice looks, and at the back it's like a very shiny glass, and I believe those are the sensors, the heart rate sensors and maybe the temperature sensors, and this is the charging port. So it says here Bluetooth watch, Series 6, 44 mm aluminum ceramic case, ECG and heart rate. So here, and the the strap is really smooth. I really like this one. It's really smooth, and if you look at the side, the I think this is the speaker and the mic, and this is the mic, and this is the crown. So let's power on. Let's long press the side button. Right now it's really fast. Now it's on. So let's try some features of this one later. So I will connect it to my phone. So let me try. Let me set the time first. Clock. I will show you how to sync on. Let us set the time. You have to open the clock, then sync should be off. Then you can set the time and date. Set the date, so month, day and year for the date. Today is 2020. Sorry. So date, Today is December 13. Okay, then the time is 11:33 in the evening. In the evening. Let's set the time quickly. Where is that? 11. Oh my god, I think it should be, this is 23, 22, 33. Okay, anyway, let's set the time. Okay, now it's the time is set. If you press this button, it will go outside. So this is how it looks. It's a full screen display. So you can choose. There is the sports mode. So there is a walking, and like it will count how many kilometers your walking has been done, running, hiking, cycling. So all these features will be there. Now I need to connect to my phone. I want to synchronize it to my phone. Now I'm turning on. I want to turn on my Bluetooth in my phone. Then I will see if it will. Okay. Now I'm turning on my Bluetooth in my phone. Now it's on. Then I will search. Okay. Then I think this one. Find phone. So again, yes, 6 series. Let me see the settings. Search for device. Power on Bluetooth first, yes. So this is my phone. Let's connect to this one. And now it's pairing. So it says here pair. Okay. Now it's connecting. Now it's connected. Watch 6 is connected. So let us try. I want to try this camera for this features, if it works. So camera is not working, even it's connected to my phone. So I believe this crown now actually it's working. So you can change the by turning it on and from here you can change the display. So it's really nice features. And let me try. Alright, so you can also zoom in or zoom out from here. It's really nice. Now let us try the temperature sensor. Is there? So no, I mean this is blood pressure. Blood pressure, now it's reading. I did not put anything behind the sensor, so it's still reading. I'm not sure if it's working fine. It's not. It's working or not. The sensors seems not working also, but I'm not sure if it's correctly reading the temperature here, degree Celsius. So I'm not putting anything in my hand, but I'm not putting anything here at the back. So let's see if it's reading. Now it's, yeah, the lights are on. Now it's 36. So I'm not sure. Let's see if I will put it in my hand and I will try it again. For example here. Okay, so that's it. Okay, let's try some other features. Just freeze it. I don't know why it's not coming out. No, it's not coming. Alright, my bad. I don't know. So all these features, I think, what is this, O2? So oxygen level maybe. Okay, also the lights are on. So it's really nice features, but I'm not sure if this is correct reading. I have a doubt. So now I want to try, because it's already connected to my phone. I want to try if it's the it's I can if I can call from here. I can see my contacts. Yeah, I can see now it's syncing on my phone. All my contacts is coming like it's here also in my phone book. It's really nice. It's working. Then I can call from here, and I can so this one you can set your gesture. So what settings you want when you want to uh, wake up your watch. And here is the call log, and so all those, and these are the history for the sports mode. And what is this, heart rate again. The lights are on, but I'm not sure if that's working. So guys, just I'm not sure if these features that it has is like working, but better you try it. It's very cheap. This one I got it for like around 120 reals here in Qatar, so it's not much. I will just like to try it. I have already my Apple Watch. I want to compare it. This is the 40mm and this is 42mm. Looks like the same, but this is the original. Can can uh, can really identify. Mm. So these are the original. So it looks the same really, but the only difference here is that there is a button here at the side, and this is more black. But anyway, I have this cover only. I have it put in like cover for my Apple Watch, but at the back, like, it looks similar. Here, this only difference here. There is some like the charging port. Here, of course, this is magnetic. So it's a really nice one. I like it. I like it because it also works with my call, like my contacts. So I hope you like this video, and you have I suggest you have to grab one of these and try it by yourself. And as of now, I really like this one. I will use it for some time, and then we'll see what will happen. But really nice. I really like this watch, and there's a lot of display mode you can choose from. So I will use this one as of the moment. It's really nice. So there is like also these are functioning. The call logs, yeah, it's functioning. Really nice. So I hope you like this video, and please like and subscribe my channel so that you will be updated to my next upload. And I hope you like it, and next time I will be reviewing again another products, mostly the China products, which is just maybe the copy of some of the popular brand. And this is like this is the purpose of my channel, just reviewing some other alternative products. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope you like it. Thank you, and see you next time.